Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram notice not working issue. Okay, let's start. At first, open your Instagram account. Tap on messenger icon. See your problem. After see your problem, close your Instagram. Let's start solve your problem. Now tap on settings. Scroll down little bit. Tap on apps and then tap on apps management. Now tap on search. Right here in Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. After tap on clear cache, go back one step. Now tap on permission manager. You can see many options. All options must be allowed. After allow all option, go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application. Tap on search icon. Now search here in Instagram. Update your Instagram application if it is available. My Instagram apps already updated. After update your Instagram, open your Instagram account. Now tap on messenger icon and then tap on notice option. Now write here notice. And then tap on share. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.